Alright, this is gonna be a video on how to get a soundboard for like Gorilla Tag or stuff like that. So you're first gonna open up Steam. Right? In Steam. You're gonna need something called Soundpad. Right here. And then you're gonna go to so you're gonna go to store. You're gonna search up Soundpad, yep, right here. And it does cost $5, but once you get it, you're gonna close out of Steam. It should be right here, or it should be already installed. I already have some stuff on there, but you're basically, these are the normal stuff. Basically, you're gonna go into Chrome. So I don't have YouTube Premium, so I can't, like, you could download it off of YouTube, but you need YouTube Premium. But basically, I just go to TikTok and do it. So, like, okay, and then you're gonna search up, like, full or something, full version. And you're gonna okay, that one's. You're gonna right click it, save video as, type whatever you want. Boom, you're gonna press enter. Should be right there. And you're gonna head to v.io right here. I will have the link to it in the description. But you can press choose video, click what you wanted. It's gonna say uploading. Just gotta wait. Depends on how big the file is. And then you're gonna go to convert to. You're gonna click MP3, convert file. Boom. Press download MP3. Then you could name it if you want to, but you don't have to. I like to name it F2. Just title it what you want. Boom. And then you can close out. So, and then you should open up your downloads page. Today, it'll say Midnight Funk if you name it. It'll say what you named, and you're gonna drag it. You're gonna drag over to Soundpad, and then boom, you got it. And how to work Soundpad? Basically, if you want to like play it through, like, say your Oculus, if you're on Oculus, or like your you're gonna hit play. Make sure it's on speakers and microphone. Well, if you basically play it on speakers only, nobody else can hear it but you. Microphone only, you can't hear it, but everybody else can. And then speakers, microphone, you can hear it, and everybody else can. And then, like, random file. But you're gonna hit play mode once you hit play. And then once you do that, preferences, and then you're gonna hit up here, devices, playback. Make sure all these like that are there are on there. You're gonna press playback device, change it to whichever one you want. So yeah, if you want it to like on your Oculus right here, and you should see your VR if you want to play on there. And then boom, you're gonna hit apply down here. I already did it. Like, say press apply, go back to this one, apply, and then it should be good. Okay, you press OK, close out downloads, and it should be there. So now I can play this. Okay, so I didn't show that last part, but basically that because it was just like really loud, but like the music just glitched and was really loud. But anyways, that's gonna be the end of this video. So make sure to like and subscribe if you like the video. You don't have to, but you can if you want to. It would help me out a lot. I have like 30 subscribers. So yeah, I want to at least hit 100 by the end of this year, because I never upload, and I think that's why nobody watches me. But yeah. Well, also, if you want me to start recording like Gorilla Tag content videos, I will. Just gotta tell me in the comments. So yeah, that was the video. Bye.